Are you tired of juggling multiple kitchen appliances to whip up your favorite meals? Do you dream of a single, versatile device that can blend, chop, slice, and shred with ease? Meet this Ninja Blender and Food Processor Combo Foodie Power Blender System, SS401. A culinary beast designed to revolutionize your kitchen. In this 100% original, in-depth review, we'll dive into why this 6-in-1 kitchen system is a must-have for home cooks, smoothie enthusiasts, and meal prep pros. Packed with power, precision, and versatility, this Ninja Foodie Power Blender is ready to tackle your toughest recipes. Let's blend into the details and see if it's worth the hype. Why the Ninja Foodie Power Blender stands out. The Ninja Foodie Power Blender Ultimate System isn't just another blender, it's a full-fledged kitchen system that combines the functionality of a high-performance blender and a food processor into one sleek, silver package. With a 1,600 peak watt power-dense motor and smartTORQUE technology, this machine powers through frozen fruits, tough veggies, and even ice without ever stalling. Whether you're craving a creamy smoothie bowl, a nutrient-packed shake, or a perfectly shredded coleslaw, this Ninja Blender delivers professional-grade results at home. What makes this system truly unique? Its enhanced food processing capabilities eliminate the need for a separate processor bowl. The reversible slicing/shredding disc and grating disc make quick work of veggies, cheese, and more, while the XL Smoothie Bowl Maker with a built-in tamper ensures thick, spoonable blends with minimal liquid. Plus, with 7 Auto IQ preset programs, you can blend, chop, or process with a single touch, saving time and guesswork. Key features that will wow you. 6-in-1 versatility. This system handles smoothies, bowls, spreads, shakes, chopping, and food processing, replacing multiple appliances and saving counter space. 1,600 peak watt motor with smartTORQUE. Powers through tough ingredients like frozen berries, nuts, and ice without stalling, ensuring silky smooth results every time. Enhanced processing lid with feed chute, slice, shred, and grate with precision using the select cut discs, perfect for meal prep tasks like salads or casseroles. XL Smoothie Bowl Maker, 18 ounces designed for thick blends. The built-in tamper pushes ingredients toward the blades for creamy nut butters or smoothie bowls. Nutrient Extraction Cup, 24 ounces blend nutrient-rich drinks on the go with the included to-go cup. Ideal for busy mornings or post-workout shakes. 7 Auto IQ programs. One-touch settings for smoothies, extractions, bowls, spreads, chopping, food processing, and dough make operation foolproof. Hybrid Edge Blade Assembly. Delivers superior breakdown of whole fruits, veggies, and ice for smoother blends and consistent textures. Variable Speed Control. Customize speed and texture for everything from chunky salsas to velvety purees. Dishwasher-safe parts. All containers, lids, discs, and blades are dishwasher-safe for effortless cleanup. Benefits that transform your cooking experience. Time-saving efficiency. With preset programs and versatile attachments, you can prep ingredients, blend smoothies, or mix dough in minutes, streamlining your cooking routine. Space-saving design. This all-in-one system replaces multiple appliances, freeing up valuable counter and storage space in small kitchens. Professional-grade results. From restaurant-quality smoothies to perfectly shredded veggies, this blender delivers consistent, high-quality textures for every recipe. Healthier eating made easy. The Nutrient Extraction Cup and Smoothie Bowl Maker encourage wholesome, vitamin-packed meals and snacks. User-friendly operation. Auto IQ technology and variable speed control make it accessible for beginners and pros alike, ensuring flawless results without a steep learning curve. Who is this Ninja Blender perfect for? The Ninja Foodie Power Blender System is a dream come true for a wide range of home cooks, smoothie and bowl enthusiasts. If you love thick smoothie bowls or nutrient-dense shakes, the XL Smoothie Bowl Maker and Nutrient Extraction Cup are game changers. Meal prep warriors. The slicing, shredding, and grating discs make prepping veggies, cheese, or coleslaw a breeze, saving hours in the kitchen. Health-conscious cooks. Extract vitamins and nutrients from fruits and veggies for wholesome drinks and spreads that support your wellness goals. Busy professionals. The to-go cup and one-touch programs are perfect for quick, nutritious breakfasts or post-gym shakes. Home bakers. The dough blade simplifies mixing pizza or cookie dough, making baking less labor-intensive. Small kitchen owners. Its compact, all-in-one design is ideal for apartments or kitchens with limited storage. These minor issues pale in comparison to the Ninja's performance and versatility, making it a worthwhile investment for most users. Is the Ninja Foodie Power Blender worth it? Absolutely. The Ninja Blender and Food Processor Combo Foodie Power Blender System, SS401, is a powerhouse that delivers on its promise of versatility, power, and convenience. Whether you're blending smoothies, prepping veggies, or mixing dough, this system simplifies your workflow and elevates your cooking. Its robust motor, smart technology, and thoughtful design make it a standout choice for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen game. Ready to transform your culinary routine? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and snag your Ninja Foodie Power Blender today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.